Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over how to make a box and whisker plot out of a data set. So this says the ages of people eating at a McDonald's are listed below. 50, 25, 23, 62, 40, 50, 13, 34, 61, and 30. Make a box and whisker plot. So the first thing you want to do is put these all in order. So I already kind of thought this out and I wrote this down. So these are the numbers once I put them in order. Okay, so I'm going to make sure I have enough numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. The lower extreme is the lowest data value you have. In my case, it's 13. The upper extreme is the largest data value you have. In my case, it's 62. Then you find the median, which is called Q2. In order to find the median, you want to find the data value that's in the middle. So I crossed off 3 on both sides. All right. I'm going to notice there's 2 data values in the middle. When there's 2 data values in the middle, you average them. So these add up to 74. 74 divided by 2 is 37. So Q2 is going to be 37. All right. Then you want to split the data in half. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 data values. I'm going to split them in half, right down the middle. So there's going to be 5 on either side. If there is an odd number of data values, like 11, you'd leave out the one in the middle and split it, and there'd be 5 on each side. But here there's 10, it's even. So there's 5 on this side and 5 on this side. What you do next is you find the median of the left-hand side, then find the median of the right-hand side. So the median of the left-hand side is 25. We're going to call that Q1. The median of the right-hand side is 50. We're going to call that Q3. So we have Q1, Q2, and Q3. So Q1 is 25, Q3 is 50. Now to find the range, we're going to take the highest value and subtract the lowest value. So the highest value here is 62, and the lowest value is 13. So if I subtract those, I get 49. To find the interquartile range, I take Q3 and I subtract Q1. So here my Q3 is 50, and my Q1 is 25. So my IQR is 25. All right, these 5 data points right here make up a box and whisker plot. So what you do is you take these 5 data points and you float them kind of over a number line. So my lower extreme is 13, my upper extreme is 62, then I have 37, 25, and 50. Okay, so I have these 5 dots plotted. So these 2 have 1 in the middle. These 2 make the box. And the 1 in the middle has a line down it. So Q1 to Q3 make a box. And the one with the line down it is Q2. So Q1, Q2, Q3, then these are your whiskers. This is the lower extreme, and this is the upper extreme. All right, so basically what you have here is a box and whisker plot where each section, each quartile, is 1/4 of the data. So this is 25% of the data. This is 25% of the data. This is 25% of the data. And this is 25% of the data. So when they say what percentage of people surveyed were younger than 37, 37 was our Q2. So here's 37. And they're saying what percentage was younger? Well, 25 plus 25, 50% of the population was younger than 37. This says what fraction of the people surveyed were older than 50? 50 was my Q3. So if I look at 50, which is my Q3, Here's 50. What fraction were older? Well, 25% were older, which means a fourth of the population was older than 50. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Please see me if you have any questions.